How to fix invite collaboration option not showing on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. First thing you have to check is whether your Instagram app is updated or not. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will see the option of install or open over here. In the case you see the option of install, just tap on that option of install and update your Instagram app to its latest version. If you see the option of open, it means your Instagram app is already updated. After updating your Instagram app, you can tap on the option of open and you will land to the home page. Now the second thing you have to do is you have to make your private Instagram account to public. So head towards your profile. After you land to the profile, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars, tap on it. From here, select the option of settings. Go to the option of privacy. Now over here you can see the option of private account. You have to toggle off for this option of private account. Tap on switch to public. Now you can go and check it out if invite collaboration option is available or not. If this also doesn't work for you, then what you can do is report a problem. For that, head towards your profile. Tap on 3 bars given at the top right corner. Select the option of settings. Open this option of help. Tap on the option of report a problem. Select the option of report problem without checking. Tap on the option don't include and continue. Now here you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working in your Instagram account. You can just explain as I have done it. Hello Instagram support, I don't have collaborator feature yet in my Instagram account. I want to use this feature, so please provide this feature as soon as possible and thank you. You can also add some screenshot or videos of the place where invite collaborator option should be, and then you can tap on the option of send. Now Instagram will get back to you within few hours or days. You have to wait. These are the ways to fix invite collaboration option not showing in your Instagram account. This was it. If your problem is solved, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.